What's Honey?
Honey is a brand that focuses on selling fabrics. There are colors that are made from indigenous fabrics from Mindanao. And then I sell also printed tank tops and crop tops right in summer.
How did you start?
This actually started back last term in my textile class. And I started, it was an activity, class activity. I made a bow tie and then people got interested. And now I'm here.
So please promote your brand.
Hi guys, please
Here's the first and best flavored drink Miguel ever brewed. One has the zestiness of apple, and the other has the same of lemon.
Selling